Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change profile picture on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Now once opened, locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Once you click on that, then click on edit profile. Hang on for edit profile to open. Once it opens, click on edit picture or avatar. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on choose from library or import from Facebook. And if you want to take any photo with your phone camera, just click on take photo. Then go ahead and select the photo you want to set as your new Instagram profile picture. Now adjust it. Then click on done at the top right. Once you click on done, this is going to set this new photo as your Instagram profile picture. And that is it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.